What is this lighting? I look so scary. None of them are mine.
What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing? My God. Squat? That was easy.
No, go the other. Turn around.
Turn around? I can't walk. I'm wearing socks. Turn around where? Ow! Oh my God, you weigh 500 pounds. It's good.
What did you weigh?
You're not lifting each other.
Ow.
You just gotta bring it back.
Oh my God! Ow! Ow!
After, I always break my back.
Wait, do it.
You're a strong man to hold you.
A strong man holding.
Yeah, that's right.
Careful, don't jump. Don't jump. That wasn't jump. Ow. Alright, back's fun. Ready?
No. Oh, let me try and climb you.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Stop. No. Yeah? Are you heavy?
Okay.
Okay. You're sliding. Hold on to me, like, grip your legs.
Okay.
No, not like that. Put them on the inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what?
I don't know. What are you trying to do? This isn't gonna work. You're gonna fall.
No. Wait. Stop.
Stop
Slow and
what?
steady.
Stop what?
Close. Okay, go.
Okay. It's gonna fall. That's disgusting. Okay, what am I doing?
Why is your hair like that?
I'm their boy. I want to see. Let me see what that looks like.
Not yet.
It's still recording?
No.
Yeah, it is. It says record.
No, it doesn't.
It's saying record. Think I'm blind? Check out Vanessa's YouTube.
No.
Subscribe. Check down under.
What?
Subscribe-
Check down under.
Subscribe to this
How
YouTube.
do you want? That's so bad. That is why I say it in the beginning.
You go, welcome.
No.
Hi. So, this is my...
That's what I say?
Yeah, you're like, oh, so I think I'm going to be wearing this. A day in the life with vanessachiarella. That's what you do. A day in my life.
What's your morning routine?
I get up, I have coffee with cream and sugar, and then I go to work.
That's it?
That's my daily routine. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. It's about it. I rush 100 miles an hour. And then I run and go to work. And then I rush back home. This is reality. What real life is that you go to work 10 hours, then you come home to clean more work. And then you cook, you clean, do laundry. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's a day of my life. I don't have time to go to the gym. I do.
If you wanted to.
But I really don't.
You don't like to work out?
Because I'm exhausted. And when they say that going to the gym gives you energy,
Yeah.
After I've worked 10 hours on my feet, I don't think I want to go to the gym. I want to go to my couch. That's where I want to go. That's where I want to go.
But the gym gives you like natural energy.
I know. Oh, Rosa got engaged. Peace out.
Mom.
What? Peace out. You don't say peace out when you say goodbye. All right,
Do you
bye.
say peace?
That's what you guys do.